In 2025, making money online in Europe has taken a massive leap forward thanks to AI. No longer do you need to master coding, become a digital marketer, or even build a website from scratch. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and access to the right AI tools. Today, you're about to discover the top 5 most powerful AI tools that Europeans are already using to earn income, automate workflows, and build digital assets with little to no experience. Let's begin with one of the most underrated yet powerful tools, Pictory AI. This platform allows you to turn text into highly engaging videos, perfect for YouTube, Instagram, or even client projects. Thousands across Germany and the UK are using it to start faceless YouTube automation channels, convert blogs into video reels, and sell short-form video editing as a service. Just copy your script, paste it into Pictory, and let AI do the magic, including visuals, voice, and captions. Next up, ChatGPT. And yes, it's more than just a chatbot. From writing SEO-optimized blogs to generating product descriptions, ChatGPT is helping European freelancers handle multiple clients without spending hours on each task. A Dutch freelancer recently shared how she uses ChatGPT to manage 4 clients simultaneously, writing newsletters, social media posts, and emails in less than half the time. Tool number 3, Canva AI, especially its Magic Write and Smart Resize features. Canva is no longer just a design platform. It's now a content factory. Whether you're creating social media graphics, pitch decks, ebooks, or branded templates, Canva's AI makes it fast, professional, and scalable. And the best part? You can offer Canva AI-based content creation services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and get paid in euros. Fourth on our list is Murf.ai, a powerful AI voice generator that's changing the game for content creators who don't want to use their own voice. From explainer videos to podcast-style content, Murf gives you access to realistic, professional voiceovers in multiple European accents, which means more reach, more connection, and better results. Some creators are even selling voiceover services using Murf as their secret weapon. And finally, Notion AI, the productivity and knowledge management tool that's helping digital entrepreneurs plan, write, organize, and automate their workflows. Whether you're building a digital product, running client projects, or managing your freelance schedule, Notion AI can act as your virtual assistant, writing copy, structuring documents, even generating task lists in seconds. So if you're in Europe and serious about turning AI into income, these 5 tools aren't just optional. They're essential. Pick one, start small, master its use, and scale your hustle step by step. And remember, this is just the beginning of the AI income revolution.